Hi everyone, Ralph from Benchdogs. We've had a number of people contact us regarding our rail square and how accurate is it. So I thought, well, I might as well do a video and be showing you how I put it together and how accurate it is straight out the box. So what I've done though is I've set this one up as a Festool track, and as you can see here, I've got it on these back two ones here. And I've got it in the Festool pins here. There is clear markings on there on what you need to do when you're setting it up, as well as the instructions that come with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it on my Festool track here. Excuse for it being so dusty. All right, so what I've done now is I've inserted the two pins into the T-track slot underneath the track, and I've made sure that this little ledge here, the track is sitting on that ledge. Okay, so once I've got it in there, I'm then going to shut the clasp, close it down. Okay, so what do I need to connect it to and how do I set it all up? So here is your reference edge, as well as here. This here is all a reference edge, and this is what allows it to be square with the board that you're cutting. So make sure that obviously, you know, you've got no debris sitting out here on your track, on your wood. Some people like to cut a little strip off here from the factory edge. I haven't done it on this board, and I'll show you how square this can be. So what I'm going to do here, I haven't put a mark on it, I'm just going to do a nice square cut. And as you can see off the bat here, I've just put it on. Now you can see straight away that that isn't square, and that's because I've not pushed the rail square into the reference edge. So I am making sure it's in here, but as you can see, when I push that here, and if you look at that end there, you'll see that track move, because I've made sure that that edge, that the edge here is pushed up against this reference edge here as well. So as you can imagine, I've pushed that right in there like so. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut and show you how square this board is afterwards. So now if I get my tape measure, this board should be nice and square. So there I am at 1422.5, and on this edge here I am at 1422.5. There you're showing nice square cut. So there you have it. I mean, that's it with the Festool track. Obviously it works with the Bosch tracks, as well as the DeWalt, Makita and Milwaukee Fuel. That's the red track. Fortunately at the moment we can't make it work with the silver one, but we are sorting that issue out, and that will be available soon. Thanks for watching.